name. My name is. What is your father's name? My father's name. Father. My father's name. My father's name is. അതന്നെ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞു. ഭൂമിക്ക എന്റെ പേരില്ലേ? ഫാദർ പറഞ്ഞ അച്ഛൻ. Right? Let's start once again. Wrong. Okay, once again. What is your name? My name is. എന്താണ് പേര് നിന്റെ? Very good. What is your father's name? My father's name is. എന്താ അച്ഛ പേര്? Very good. What is your mother's name? Mother പറഞ്ഞ ആരാണ്? അമ്മ. അപ്പോൾ what is your mother's name? My mother's name is. പറ. Archana. Which school are you studying? I study in Nakshatra Preschool. Very good. Bye.